Join OmniTech Academy today. Here's what our graduates said about us. When I first started, I only knew how to use a mobile phone. I've now gained confidence in my skills and can now identify issues in a phone and change a battery.
I put my skills ahead of anything because it's my future. I've been able to get some experience from working, but learning this course has given me more hands-on repair experience. I learned that you needed to be more delicate with mobile phones.
I've learned more advanced repairs just in level 1 than the video tutorials I have found online. I'm also much more confident in my skills now than I was before I did this course.
My training here has been very good. Before I wasn't aware of many things, such as the tools and Samsung repair. Now I can say I know these things. I can see my future in this.
Join us today at academy.omnitech.co.nz.